In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Drive files with non-Gmail accounts. It's quite simple once you know the steps, and this tutorial will guide you through it. Let's get started. First, you need to open Google Drive. To do this, go to your web browser and type in the address, drive.google.com. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to log in if you're not already signed in. Use your Gmail account credentials to log in. This will give you access to all the files and folders you've saved in your Google Drive. Now let's move on to locating the file or folder you want to share. Navigate through your files and find the one you intend to share with someone who doesn't have a Gmail account. Once you found it, right-click on the file or folder. You'll see several options pop up, but for now, click on Share. This will open a sharing window with a few options. You'll notice a section labeled General Access, which might initially be set to Restricted. What you want to do here is click on this section to bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option Anyone with the link. This selection changes the file's access settings, allowing anyone with the link to access your file, not just those with Gmail accounts. Now that you've set the file to be accessible to anyone with the link, you need to decide on the specific level of access. There are three options to choose from: Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. As a viewer, the person can only see the contents of the file. As a commenter, they can view and leave comments on the document. Finally, as an editor, they can make changes to the document itself. Choose the level of access that suits your needs by simply selecting one option from the drop-down list. The final step involves sharing the link itself. Once you have selected the appropriate level of access, click on Copy Link. This will copy the link to your computer's clipboard, making it easy to share. You can now paste this link into an email, a message in Messenger, or even a WhatsApp message. Simply send it to the person you want to share the file with. Even if they don't have a Gmail account, they'll still be able to open and view the file using the link you've provided. And there you have it. You've successfully shared a Google Drive file with someone who does not use Gmail. This process is secure and ensures that your files are only accessible to those you choose to share them with. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you found this video useful, and consider subscribing for more guides like this one.